Number 1. Pro Premium Car Sound, Automotive Sound Deadening Material. Damplifier Pro Auto Sound Deadening Material will deaden metal and stop structural noise to give any car luxury feel. Used for car audio, hot rods, trucks, jeeps, RVs, anywhere metal rattles.
Number 2. Kilmat Car Sound Deadening, the cost-effective 80mm automotive, butyl and foil sound deadening. You are not just buying an excellent quality product but also saving more than 20% comparing them to competitors as well.
Number 3. Noico Car Sound Deadening, the cost-effective 80mm automotive butyl and foil sound deadening. You are not just buying an excellent quality product but also saving more than 20% comparing to competitors as well.
Number 4. HushMat Ultra Black, eliminates road noise and vibration, engineered to fit OEM specifications and is approved, wraps easily around tight areas, withstands temperature from -30°F to
Number 5. Thermo Heat Sound. In addition to the polyethylene film, the foil surface provides direct protection from radiant heat, great for areas like firewalls, floorboards or doors. The suppressor is also 70mm in thickness, contains a high temperature adhesive backing and is easy to trim and fit.